Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting with readiness. Plug in the correct USB cable into the XUV700 front port and unlock your phone. Once done, open Android Auto on the phone. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active. On the car screen, select Android Auto as the input. This begins pairing. You need to accept permissions on the phone for contacts and media. Do that now, because without permissions, Android Auto won't show maps and messages. Once the car and phone detect each other, confirm the Bluetooth PIN and allow the car to pair. Next, grant Android Auto all requested permissions. Location and notifications are essential for navigation and voice messages. Then, if using wired mode, change the phone's USB setting from charging only to file transfer or Android Auto mode. This step ensures the infotainment sends audio and touch data both ways, so the apps display correct. Now finalize by testing Google Assistant with the steering wheel voice button and open Maps or Music to confirm responsiveness. If it fails, try a known good cable, reboot your phone, or toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Those quick fixes often resolve handshake issues. Make sure the XUV700 firmware and Android Auto app are up to date. If problems persist, clear the app cache on your phone or unpair and repair the device to force a fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.